Okay, out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coop, mama no killing. Chop out the top, hit it in limits.
What is up, YouTube? And I'm back here with another lit video. Hey, this is your first time watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up first of all. Don't be stingy with them likes. And make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, man. We stay with lit videos, man. We stay with lit videos. But today I got a new camera. Yes, today I got a new camera. I'm doing a box open. This is my first time opening the box. This is what the camera look like. Had to upgrade. I got a Sony. This is a Canon I'm using right now, but I got a Sony. It's even better. HD Wi-Fi. I had Wi-Fi on this one, but the HD, full HD, 1080p. You can't beat that. So yeah, I just got this, and I'm about to open it. I haven't opened it for y'all yet. This is actually a used box. Like, this is actually a used box, honestly. But it had all the requirements. Like, it was full, like it was nice. It's basically brand new. It was just a lower price, so I just went the smarter way and got the used one for y'all. So I'm about to set this camera down. I ain't got my stand. Hold on, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see my head. So I actually had to take my jacket. I was freaking hot in here. Oh, but let's get this box open. It is box opening time. Go ahead and cut it. I can get it open. Sorry for the SpongeBob key, man. I had this key since I was like little, so you feel me. Finally, I got the box open. I was looking at the camera. I was like looking at this camera for like I don't know how long, and I was like, I gotta get this, man. I like the depth effect. Like it's like a phone. Like, you know how it blurs everything in the back and just see you. I like that, man. So I had to cop, and it got a neck strap. So when I'm walking around taking a vlogging and I don't feel like holding it, just strap that thing around my neck. It got a charger. How you charge it? I think you literally have to like plug it up and charge it. But this is the camera, y'all. This is the camera. This is the camera. I want to actually show y'all. It do the same thing as my camera do. I could like vlog. But I like this camera, man. It's a fire ass camera. I'm glad they got this lens because I didn't want to buy no lens. But it's a nice ass camera, man. So you put your foot in that camera, because I'm about to use the heck out of this camera. But y'all going to get some lit videos. Y'all think this videos I be doing right now is lit? Wait till I post some more videos. Like, this gonna be a lit ass video. But as you can see, man, this is the camera. It's got a bigger front, like you can adjust the zoom. It's kind of the same thing. It's just different from mine. I'm gonna show y'all what the quality looking like. But yeah, this is a nice camera. This really is a nice ass camera. Rate this camera from 1 to 10. I give this a 9.5, man. It could be better, but that's good enough for me. Look, pop, good enough for me, man. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all that I got this new camera, and lit videos about to be lit, man. I got some videos for y'all. I'm dropping a video in advance. I probably dropped it Monday, so this video probably going up Wednesday, and I got another video for y'all Friday. So yeah, I love every single one of y'all. This is like a little short unboxing video, but yeah, I love y'all. Road to 100K. I know y'all can see the only part of my hair. I'm sorry. I love y'all, and the sun is like in my way. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, let's see. I want to see, but I love y'all. Road to 100K, man. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications, because we lit, man. We a lit channel. Road to 100K, man. Next year, my goal is to hit 100K. I know this was to hit 100K, but I didn't put enough content. I didn't put enough work for me to hit 100K. It's not going to come by itself. You got to put in the time and the work. So next year, best believe I'm going to have 100K by the summertime. Or before school starts next year, August. I'm going to have 100K. Mark my words. market. So I'm gonna watch my own video. I'm remembering me saying this, and I'm recorded in another video when I hit 100K. I'm like, y'all remember that time I said I was gonna hit 100K, and I hit 100K? Yeah. So say this, screen record, do whatever you gotta do. But we out, man. Road to 100K. Peace.
My clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I done, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even